Hey guys, Randy with Horizon Trailers here. Today we'll be reviewing the Triaxle HZ7 Dump Trailer. With a GVWR of 21,000 pounds, a nice design and sliding ramps, this is a perfect dump trailer for the heavy hauling. Follow me as I go through all the features it has to offer. The trailer we are reviewing today is the bumper pull, 16-foot length, 2-foot sides, and has 3 7K Lippert electric brake spring axles. Starting at the front, it features this spring-loaded drop leg jack rated at 12,000 pounds, upgradable to the hydraulic jacks if you don't like cranking. A 2 5/16 adjustable coupler, 3 8 grade 70 safety chains, a breakaway kit, and a 7-way RV all-weather wiring harness. In between the tongue, it features the mega lockable toolbox, which houses the battery charger, hydraulic pump, and you still have all this space for your tools. On this side, it has the standard spare tire mount with an optional spare tire. The tongue and main frame on this triaxle is made of an 8-inch I-beam weighing in at 15 pounds per foot. And the dump bed frame is made of a 5x5 by 5/16 angle iron with 3-inch channel cross members spaced 16 inches apart. And for lifting the dump, it has a 6x21-inch cylinder and a 20,000 pound hoist, upgradable to the telescopic if you prefer that. And the dump angle is at 45 degrees. One nice little detail we added is this LED backlit Horizon emblem and the side step for easy access to the dump. One awesome highlight that make our dump trailer stand out are these rounded sides. Not only are they nice and clean looking, but also durable because of the 10-gauge rolled steel plate. Plus, we added a 3x5-inch 11-gauge tubing for extra durability. And it has these ID stake pockets and L hooks. For the fenders, it features a 12-gauge diamond plate steel. The running gear on this one is the Triaxle 3 axles of 7K Lippert electric brake spring, and it has 10-ply tires on 16-inch black mod wheels, where this one has been upgraded to the nice aluminum wheels. At the rear of this HZ7, it features this functional 3-way door, which you can use as standard barn doors and also as a spreader gate for when you need to spread gravel or sand. Opening the barn doors, it features these D-rings so you can lock them in place for when you're dumping and so that the doors don't come down. It has a deck height of 28 inches and a deck width of 83 inches, and the flooring is made of a 7-gauge steel. 4 D-rings welded inside the dump so you can secure your cargo, and it comes standard with a manual crank tarp. It has 2 6-foot long 4-inch heavy-duty channel ramps and stabilizer stands for easy loading of equipment. Here you will see it has these nice big DOT-approved Technique LED lights and marker lights here at the rear and along the side for extra visibility. At Horizon, every detail matters, and that's why we feature a 6-step painting process, which includes steel grip blasting and a powder coat, ensuring that the paint will be durable. And with 10 color options to choose from for the dump and 10 colors for the frame, you can really customize this to your liking. And remember, all our trailers feature a 3-year structure and a 1-year component warranty, plus are NATM certified, giving you peace of mind that if you buy one of our trailers, they will be top quality. For more information, visit us on our website at horizontrailers.com. I'll catch you in the next video.